Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install Turbo C++ on a Windows operating system. So for that you need to go to favorite browser and to search in Google Turbo C++, download, hit enter. Here you need to scroll down and you will get a link, so you need to click on that link. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you will get this button called Turbo Download C++. So you need to click on that. That's going to start downloading within 10 seconds. You can see it is rightly started downloading and it has rightly downloaded. So just simply click on this icon and you can see that here is our Turbo C rightly downloaded over here. So you need to extract it. So right click and click on extract all and click on extract. It's rightly started extracting. Once extracted, you need to go inside that folder. Here you will get a setup folder, so you need to double click on it and to click on run. Preparing to install, you can minimize your download directory and your browser, everything. Welcome to Turbo C++, click on next. Accept the license agreement. After reading it, click on next and click on install. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes, and our installation of Turbo C++ is rightly began. And it is rightly installed as well. So just simply click on finish. That's going to launch our Turbo C++. It's going to also redirect to your browser by showing some tutorials. You can always go through these tutorials, but for now I'm going to minimize this. And this is our Turbo C++. Here need to uncheck this and to only select this full screen mode and to click on start Turbo C++. As a full screen mode, our Turbo C++ is going to be opened. Now I'm going to show you how to use this Turbo C++ for writing C or C++ program. So for that, first you need to go to file and click on new. Here is our new file. You have to double click on it. New file called no name is rightly opened. Here to write a hello world C or C++ program. I'll write a simple hello world C program. So hash include stdio.h, then int main. Then within curly bracket, we are going to print hello world. So printf, so within double quote, and you need to end with semicolon, and within double quote we need to print hello world. And after that, just simply type get ch so that our screen do not get closed abruptly. And after that we need to return something, so we'll return 0. So this is our program. You need to save this file first. Go to file and click on save as, and let's save this file as prog.c. because we have written a C program, so that's why I'm saving it as a .c, but if you have written a C++ program, you need to save it as a .cpp. Click on OK. Our file is rightly saved. Now you go to run and click on run, and you can see the output coming on your console, hello world. So you can just simply press escape button and you are again back to your Turbo C++. So that's how I install Turbo C++. I know this Turbo C++ is a bit old, but there are several institutions who are still using Turbo C++ even on 2026. So that's why this video. But I highly recommend you to install Dev C++ or Code Blocks, or even you can use Visual Studio Code for your C or C++ program. So please do refer all these videos, and you can choose any of the IDE or text editor like Visual Studio for doing C or C++ program. Turbo C++ is really old, but I kept on getting requests, so that's why I had to make a video. But I always recommend you to use any of this platform for C or C++ programming. By the way, to get out from the screen, you need to just press the window key and then you need to close all these applications that are running on the background. Right. So please do subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel and also join our community and also follow all these videos that I have just told you. And if you're interested on modern technologies like Python and all that, then I highly recommend you to follow all these videos that are going to really help you to improve your career on computer science. So learn Python, learn how to build all these different applications, and detailed source code that I have showed you on all these videos are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So do check out all these different videos. I'm sure you're going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.